Just remember, if you're seeing double, keep cleaving.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware. Beware.
Dots on melee.
Next person. Alright, everyone out. Watch your positioning.
Beware. Five, four, three, two, one. Beware. Beware.
In melee.
Beware.
Oop.
Everyone away from Chai.
Remember, skip past moon
Beware.
for ranged.
5, 4, beware. 2, 1. Beware.
Get the ad down quick.
Look at.
Watch your positioning.
Here comes fixates. I got first.
Okay.
Alright, you got it. Alright, I got second. Good at 3.
For those of you with weak words, is it working?
Yep.
Okay, guys.
That spell is not ready yet.
You're ranged and not fixated. If you could get in the healing circle.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, ranged purple.
I hate you, Mar'gok.
Beware.
Sorry,
Dots
dude.
in range.
No, that was his fault.
5.
Baller quick on this edge.
Move.
Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Didn't hit deterrence fast enough.
beware.
Get there
On the battle
as
res.
we can.
3, 2, 1. Beware. Beware.
I'm on it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beware.
Where are you?
I'm right in the back because I have the mark.
Hey, please don't forget to turn the boss towards right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kyrie 6.
4, 3, 2.
Let's get out of here, melee.
Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2. Beware. 1. Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beware.
In range.
Dots in ranged again.
You again.
Beware.
Very nice work.
At 6.
Bed 6.
For now.
3.
Sorry, I moved out.
You're good.
Alright, good. We took care of that
5,
on 6.
4, 3, 2. Beware. 1. Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beware.
It's enraged again.
Really quick on this ad, guys.
It's so far away.
Alright. Let's pay attention to fixate. Get over.
There is a
it.
mine right by yellow.
Be a little bit left of yellow as you're looking towards the center.
Right on me. Right on me.
Polly, Nix.
Try to throw the needle.
Did I get rid of it?
No,
I had some.
Cage has it.
Bedaria had it.
That has it.
Is it gone?
Yes.
Fixate on Polly.
Skull ad, go go. Careful of that mine.
I got first.
I got that one.
I got that one.
Low DPS cooldowns here if you have any up. Need to get these suckers down.
Hymns going out. Help.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Good pace.
1.
Stay frosty.
Stay away from.
I cannot cast that yet.
Beware.
4 is when we get out.
Great fucking pace.
That spell is not ready yet.
Get that ad down.
Okay, we're gonna get orbs.
Beware.
Watch out for the orbs.
5,
Get away from
4,
everybody else. Right
3,
out.
2,
Big spread.
1.
Dodge orbs.
The little ad's down. They're right on top of the boss.
Beware.
Big heals on tanks. I have no fucking mana. Thank you, Mistweaver.
Dots are out.
2 on me.
On ad.
Both seem to be in melee.
Alright, Polly out.
Beware.
Launder out.
Good. Keep it together, guys. He gonna die.
5,
Dead.
3,
Getting
External,
orbs here.
please.
1.
Unbro.
Force Nova spread.
Fuck, sorry.
Beware.
Keep roll up.
I didn't
Dodge
notice.
orbs.
Get these little ads down.
Yeah, AoE them, cleave them. They don't explode.
Oh, don't worry, I'm cheesing those meters.
You cheesed them meters.
God.
3 on me.
Beware.
Polly and Renette, get out.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Use healing pods, help your healer. Orbs coming. Force Nova spread. Dodge orbs.
Beware.
Pass down, get him up.
Whoa! He went down and all those things ate me for lunch.
Raid Spirit
He's
on
back
bottom.
up. Get him healed.
2%, guys. Good job.
He ain't dead yet.
He about to be.
Divine him going out.
Yes!
Never mind.
Finally.
God, you son of a.
Oh, a biscuit?
Hey,
like
Chai, I got those
biscuits.
shoulders.
Sweet. Do I not
Nice
have
job,
bodies at the
guys.
floor? I don't
I
have that.
almost lived till the end.
Whoever yelled right there scared the holy shit out of me and my dog.
I think that was Dekatsu.
That was Vidaria.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Man,
I didn't know who it
he's
was.
laying behind me on the floor
What are you
that went out.
whispering
He's all
for
like,
now?
"Boo!"